Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add ClearPay or Afterpay to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, for both of those, you need to be located in separate parts of the globe. For the Afterpay method, you do need to be located in the US or in Canada in any province except for Quebec. There it is not supported. And for ClearPay, you just need to be located in the United Kingdom. Now, to connect both of those to Squarespace, it's a very simple process. You just need to go into your settings by clicking on this cog icon right over here. And then once you're here, go over into the Selling tab. Click on payments, and now you can connect a couple of different things. You can connect Squarespace or Square Payments, which is the built-in Squarespace sort of integration. You can connect it to let customers pay in person with cash and credit cards, which does also support Afterpay or ClearPay. Or you can connect Stripe, which lets people pay with major credit cards, Apple Pay and Afterpay or ClearPay. And once you connect to this, just click on this and log into your account on Stripe. And I won't be doing that since I don't have an account. But once you log in over here, then you'll be able to click here to manage your payments under Stripe. And then once you do that, you'll be able to toggle ClearPay and Afterpay on. And that is basically all you need to do. From there on forth, your customers will be able to use ClearPay and Afterpay on your site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.